Hi guys.
You get attacked!
It's me, Georgie.
And me!
And I'm with my brother. Well, we tried to get each other in a photo. Why did you get one?
Look, you can see me. Georgie, I'm in your base. I'm following you.
I want to get the dropper though.
He's chasing us. Run!
But come this way.
No, he wants to kill me because he's already killed you. Ah!
I really need to buy wolves now.
I really need a base. I need a... Georgie, I've Captain America or the Flash. I'm the Flash, guys. The Flash.
I trapped him. And he can't get out.
Georgie, I'm the Flash. I can get super speed. Should I steal from the guy where we got that weapon from?
No one can get it now.
I can.
Haha. Wait, let me say it in chat.
But Georgie, you have to let me in. I'll try and push him in. Yeah. Georgie, I jumped over his head. I jumped on his head over it. The gates.
Boo.
Georgie, I jumped over. Georgie, I'm in your base.
I'm going to Ant-Man right now.
Georgie, just saying it. I'm in your base. Okay, now I'm out.
No, he doesn't have weapons. So guys, so far I've done this. Yeah, I've done this. You
but
like him?
I did the droppers most of them. Georgie,
You just have.
Georgie, can you come out for a second? It's not because of the hacking. Just stand outside your door, Georgie. Georgie, can you stand outside your door for a second, please?
Why don't you just come in?
I know.
Wait, don't come in. Make him follow you.
And I'm gonna say.
Don't go in.
No, Georgie, leave it open. I'm gonna say.
When he goes back in, I'm gonna go out.
Can't catch. No, Jason. Can't catch.
Dang!
I was gonna say can't catch me.
Yeah, sure you will. How much? I got 6.
Georgie, I'm just laughing on the top of your roof. Georgie, I'm gonna get a web slinger.
No, I can't get it. I need 1 more 1,000. Oh, that adds 800. That is surely enough. Oh. Yes, I can get it. I can get it. I can get my stuff.
Don't kill. Oh, you can't kill me with it though, so you can't make me lose it.
Oh.
Now to evacuate. Oh wait, you have enough to buy that. You will not.
No, I need 400.
You won't catch me. Where's my base?
Don't know. You haven't got a base yet.
Yeah, I have.
Oh yeah, you're the Flash.
Yeah, Georgie, I grappled hook there.
Yep, I got the next weapon. Sorry, you missed it.
And you still grapple hook in Georgie, so.
Oh no, I need 1,000 quick. I need 1,000. Well, 1,500. Don't. No. 500.
Georgie, I'm coming. Yeah, Lala. Let me in.
No. I'm always at it. Yes!
As I said.
Haha.
You know you're right?
It's so dark in here. Guys, you hear the
Georgie,
music?
look at my body. Oh, you missed it. It's still hanging.
Guys, this is my new music. My friend's coming in about 10 minutes. So we've only got another 5 minutes on this video. If you can see
You just
my hand.
started.
Oh, bam. Let's open Chris and see what I need to do. Oh.
Kill me.
Hey, you're not the Flash. It says you're the Flash, but there's 2 Flashes. See, that's my good name. Long and Bell.
I'm the new Flash.
You're the new
Flash.
Flash.
Then I'm gonna have to try and. Then I'm gonna have to try and jump into your base.
Hi. We're back. We're recording. See, I don't know what work is.
Yeah, I wrecked your face. Judy, I'm about to get on a diamond. Judy, when I get on a diamond and then I'll get super speed to your level. No, don't stay. Let him in. Make him stay there.
What do you want?
I'm trying to jump in. I'm in! Hi, Judy. I jumped through.
Go out, Jamie.
No.
Go out. I want to show these guys. Please.
I need my web slinger. Let me. I got a web slinger.
Guys, there's this very funny thing I can do.
Attack her! I got spiders.
Why don't you dare put them in my house?
Too late.
You just put them in my house! What are you trying to do? They're my friends.
Bye. I jumped out! Not gonna get me. I thought you said you were gonna kill me.
Yeah, that's much better. I just put some to light.
Georgie, I sure you're gonna kill me.
Okay, I've only got 700. There's nothing under 700. There's only one thing and it's 50. So I just better. It was like that thing over there. It was that literally that thing. That thing was 50. And then I got 2,001 cake.
Georgie, I still have the web slinger.
Guys, comment down below. Make sure he dies.
And it won't, guys. No one's gonna kill me. Because I'm about to get... Right now, guys, I'm sneaking into Kylo Ren's base.
Same.
No, I'm climbing up the tree.
Yeah, I need something exciting.
Georgie, see, look what I'm doing. Georgie, look. Georgie, did you know this? Guys, this is a tip. You can climb up a tree to a base if it's right next to it and jump into their base. It's pretty cool. That's why you never should pick the wrong
He doesn't
base.
have windows.
Well, you don't need windows. Wait, are you following me?
No, not really. I don't see you. I'm going up a rock.
I'm in. Georgie, there's so much people in the base.
Ooh. Oh, I can't get up. I think I'm gonna... Hello. Are you trying to attack me?
I killed her.
You just got 1 diamond for kidding me.
Maybe.
Oh, literally.
Kill!
I've got my friend.
I killed Superman!
I've got my friend coming in 5 minutes, so we're gonna be getting this video wrapped up. Because she could come early or she couldn't come late. Because at my birthday party, basically all my friends came early, and then one person came 18 minutes late. It was so funny. Because it started at 5. All my friends came early, but I came 18 minutes late.
Hi, can you try and kill me?
No, I didn't get the weapon.
I have no weapons.
Just teasing me about that.
No, you, with your spiders, you could kill me.
Yeah, but they're useless spiders. Well, I find them useless. Ooh, I got 9k.
No one's sneaking into Superman's base.
So guys, this is my base so far, you know?
I'm sneaking into Superman's base.
Does he have any weapons?
Okay.
I hate the cape. I can't even fly with it.
Georgie, can you stand outside this door?
No. Sorry, but I am working on my project. Guys, because I want it to come in faster, you know. Come on, I've got 4 parts. That was a little...
Georgie, I teamed with Superman.
No, it's just a trick, by the way.
Georgie, look! Team.
You're saying nothing, by the way.
Yeah, I teamed with him. I said please and you said yes.
Guys, I can't be bothered to wait for my brother to get in, but...
I can fly! Lasers!
Cool, but whatever. I'm gonna wrap this video up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, comment down below too, and give us a big thumbs up.
Nemo.
Good.